and meditations.
Okay, we are going in for a very powerful meditation. Okay, so if you want, you can relax. Walls support ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Close your eyes. Visualize that you are lying down. This is to be done lying down. In the class, I'll make you all lie down and do it. But here, be seated. Visualize that you are lying down. Okay? Visualize that you are lying down. Focus on the point in between the two eyebrows. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. Focus on the toes of both the legs, both the feet. Look at those toes. Command them, relax, relax, relax. Look at the other four fingers. Command them, relax, relax, relax. Visualize your shin. Visualize your calf muscles of both the legs, the knees, knee joint, thighs, hips. Command them, relax, relax, relax. The abdomen, lower back, the stomach, the middle back, the chest, the upper back. Command them to relax, relax, relax. Both the arms, all the 10 fingers, palms, wrist, forearms, elbows, biceps, triceps, shoulders, the collarbone. Command them, relax, relax, relax. Visualize your neck, the entire neck portion. Visualize them, front, back, sideways. Command them, relax, relax, relax. Look at the chin, the lips, the lower lips, the upper lips, the teeth within, both the cheeks, cheekbones, both the ears, eyes, eyebrows, forehead, both the temples. Command them, relax, relax, relax. Look at the upper portion of the head, the cerebrum, frontal cortex, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, both the hemispheres of the brain, the entire skull. Command them, relax, relax, relax. Feel the entire body completely light, relaxed. Focus once again on the point of light between the two eyebrows. As you are lying down, alongside the top of the head, about 5 feet away from your head, visualize egg-shaped object. ಅಂಡಾಕಾರದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡಾಕಾರದ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, like an egg. The color golden red in color. Now visualize that you are moving towards the egg-shaped object, ಅಂಡಾಕಾರದ object in ಹತ್ತಿರ. ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Now you are entering that egg-shaped object which is very huge. ತಲೆ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ಆ ಎಗ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಿ. Then the shoulders, then the chest, then the stomach, then the hips, then the legs. Entirely the body is in the egg-shaped object. ಅಂಡಾಕಾರದ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಿ. Visualize there is a fluid inside, golden red in color, dravya, fluid, liquid, golden red color ina liquid idda hage ಭಾವಿಸಿ, ವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now feel your body moving towards the center of the egg-shaped object. ಅಂಡಾಕಾರದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. You are in the fluid, just moving swiftly to the center of the egg-shaped object. What seemingly is the center of the egg-shaped object, you are stopping. egg-shaped objectiನ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಿ. I am there in the center of that egg-shaped object. Visualize your entire body. Feel your body in that liquid, in that dravya. ಆ ದ್ರವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡೀ ಶರೀರವನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Feel the entire body in that liquid. Now visualize your toes disappearing, dissolving in that liquid. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಿನ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. other fingers dissolve ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. then the feet, then the ankles, shin, calf muscles, knees, thighs, hips ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಶರೀರ ಈ ದ್ರವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I am getting dissolved, or rather my body is getting dissolved portion by portion, part by part. Now visualize your hips, abdomen, lower back, stomach, middle back, chest, upper back, shoulders, both the hands, all the fingers, forearms, elbows, biceps, triceps, shoulders, shoulder joint, shoulder muscles, everything getting dissolved. Neck dissolve ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. chin, lips, teeth, tongue, cheeks, cheekbones, nose bridge, both the ears, both the temples, both the eyes, eyebrows, forehead, top of the head, part by part everything is getting dissolved. Now the hair also is getting dissolved. ಆ ದ್ರವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಶರೀರ ಕರಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Only I remain, the point of light, brightly shining like a star in the center of the egg-shaped object, or what seemingly is the center of the egg-shaped object. ಆ ದ್ರವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಿನುಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ತಾರೆ, ಸಿತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್. Only I am existing. Now visualize another powerful star right in front of you. ತೇಜೋಮಯ, ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಯ, ದಿವ್ಯಮಯವಾದ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಂತಹ another powerful star right in front of you in handshaking distance. Now visualize ತೇಜೋಮಯ, ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಯ, ದಿವ್ಯ ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಕಿರಣಗಳು ಆ ಸ್ಟಾರಿನಿಂದ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬುತ್ತಿದೆ. That star is nothing but Paramatma, Parabrahman, Brahma Mahattatva. very powerful point of light, point of energy, and energy is flowing from that powerful star into me, which is a very tiny star. I am getting filled with peace, shanti, purity, pavitrate, shakti, power, knowledge, wisdom, jnana, love, prema, khushi, sukha, prosperity, happiness, joy. I am getting filled with bliss, ananda, paramananda. I am completely filled with peace, purity, power, knowledge or wisdom, happiness, love, bliss. Fill yourself completely. Now visualize yourself completely filled with all the divine qualities, divine virtues, divine values of Almighty God, Paramatma. Now visualize the head portion returning. First the head, then the forehead, eyes, nose bridge, both the ears, the cheeks, the cheekbones, temples, teeth, tongues, lips, chin, neck, shoulders, both the arms, all the fingers of both the arms, triceps, biceps, elbows, forearms, palms, wrist, then all the 10 fingers, all returning back, then the chest, upper back, stomach, middle back, the abdomen, lower back, hips, both the thighs, both the knees, both the shin, both the calf muscles, both the heels, both the ankles, both the feet, all the toes of both the legs, all returning back, all renewed, refreshed, replenished, healthy. Visualize ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಶರೀರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ನಿಮಗೆ ದೊರಕಿದೆ. This time very healthy. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಡಕುಗಳು ಮಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. All the weaknesses disappeared. Your body is perfect and healthy. Entire body is perfect and healthy. All the organs perfect and healthy. Every single part of the body perfect and healthy. I am perfect and healthy. My body perfect and healthy. Visualize your body absolutely perfect, absolutely healthy. Visualize the body that you want. ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ದೇವಿ ದೇವತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಶರೀರ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಿ. Feel that. You have to feel it. Exquisitely looking body, perfect and healthy, wonderful and beautiful. ಶರೀರ ನನ್ನದಾಗಿದೆ. Now visualize this body which is complete, which is full, which is wonderful, which is beautiful, which is perfect, which is healthy, slowly moving towards the edge of the egg-shaped object. After coming to the end of the egg-shaped object, head first, you are coming out of the egg-shaped object. ಇಡೀ ಶರೀರ ಅಂಡಾಕಾರದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸಿ. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇ ಅಬೌಟ್ 5 feet, head facing the top of the head facing the egg-shaped object. You are still lying down, visualizing your body perfect and healthy, wonderful and beautiful. Slowly come back to consciousness. Come back to the awareness that you are sitting down and not lying down. Visualize. Come back. Slowly shake your hands and legs.
ओम शांति।
Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you once again. God bless you all. Namaste.